Today we're going to be adjusting our mirrors. So our driver's side mirror, our passenger side mirror. The rear view mirror is straightforward. You get into a position that you're comfortable driving. Slight bend in your elbow. Not too close, not too far, not too high, not too low. The rear view mirror, you're going to adjust it so you can see the rear glass, the whole rear glass appear in this rear view mirror, okay? Without going up, down, this way, that way, in a comfortable position. You got to be able to see the whole rear glass. Now, driver's side mirror, you don't want to point it to the sky, you don't want to point it down to the road. You want to have it linear with your door, with your panels, and you don't want to be staring at your vehicle. Your inner side, okay, the inside of your mirror is only going to be seeing a tiny bit of the rear of your car. That's the position you're gonna get that mirror to face. That way you can see as far as possible to the outside left. Sometimes if the vehicle is further back, you could even see 2 lanes to the left. Passenger side, same thing. Don't point it up to the sky, don't point it down to the floor. Align it with the panels, align it with your doors, and the inside of your mirror, that point, you should only see a very little bit of the back of your vehicle. That's it. Not too much. Hey, you want it to be pointing out as much as possible. I don't know if you can see it from here, but basically this is my position. If I turn my head, I'm seeing a little bit of my car and I see outward. Turn this way, I see a little bit of my car outward. Your knob's right here to adjust the mirror. It's very simple, okay? When you point it straight, that means it's in neutral position. You're not gonna be adjusting anything. When you turn the knob to the left, you're going to be adjusting your driver's side mirror, and when you turn the knob to the right, you're going to be adjusting the passenger side mirror. Simple as that. It's not rocket science. So right now you can see that vehicle. I can see it, I can see it, I can see it. Disappears, boom, right there. This way, when you set up your mirrors, you are covering your blind spot, but still check your blind spot. I don't know how good you are. I don't know if you're going to set them up correctly. I don't know how experienced you are. Don't rely on just the mirrors. Check your blind spot on the driver's side and on the passenger side. I set them up that when I lose that vehicle that's overtaking me from the mirror, when they disappear, they're gonna appear right beside me on both sides. Meaning your mirrors are gonna be outward as far as possible, linear to your vehicle, to the doors, not pointing up to the sky, not pointing down to the floor, aligned with the height of your vehicle. I put this angle as wide as possible so you can see. Okay, let's see this vehicle right here. I can see it, I can see it, I can see it. Gone, boom, right here. I can see it, 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 boom, right here. Be smart, be safe, folks. Adjust your mirrors this way, don't mess about.